A big announcement today from an Oak Ridge company. Centrus says it's investing millions of dollars to expand its programs in nuclear energy manufacturing. Company leaders are also looking to resume centrifuge manufacturing at their Oak Ridge Center, also expanding uranium enrichment at their facility in Ohio. 10 News Anderson County reporter Emily Crabtree covered the press conference and has more about this investment for us. Emily?
Yeah, Robin, the company says over recent decades, America has relied more and more on other countries for nuclear energy. Now they're trying to bring back an American-owned supply chain of enriched uranium.
Centrus Energy in Oak Ridge announced a $60 million investment today into nuclear manufacturing. The company is trying to resume and expand its work with Centrifuge Technology in an effort to help the U.S. become more energy independent.
The United States is dependent mostly on non-U.S. enrichment. It's a field that we used to dominate decades ago. Ironically, we are now dependent on everybody else for enrichment, and specifically for enrichment technology.
The company secured over $2 billion earlier this year through contracts with utility companies, national and international. They are now in the running to receive part of $3.4 billion from the Department of Energy. The money will go towards building up U.S.-based energy supplies.
In order to establish a domestic U.S.-based nuclear fuel supply that is going to be very much focused on enrichment. It's not going to be solely enrichment, but it's going to be mostly focused on enrichment.
Centrus is also focused on keeping things local, with much of their equipment being made in Oak Ridge. And the company hopes to give back to the community by providing jobs. Centrus's facility in Oak Ridge employs between 140 and 150 people, and they hope to grow.
In the long term, I can tell you that we're looking at thousands of jobs across the country, whether it's us or our suppliers, and probably hundreds of jobs here in the area.
Now, Centrus says they aren't exactly sure when the Department of Energy will announce who gets the $3.4 billion, but it could be within the next few months. Robin?
All right, Emily, thank you very much.